channel. We are back with another video where we will be making you more productive in your daily work life. Now, the scenario that we are discussing today is you have data in two columns, and what you want to do is that you want to bring that data in and you want to combine that in another cell. Like you see on the screen that we have AA and 3434 in two different cells, and what you want is either to see AA3434 as one word or AA-3434. So these are two examples, but you can have multiple different way of combining data from two different cells in Excel. We'll quickly show you how to do it. You just go to the cell where you want your output, you put in equal sign, and then you write concat, C-O-N-C-A-T. Write concat, start parenthesis, click on the first cell that you want to see on your output. For example, if you want to see DD first, we click on DD cell, then a comma, and then click on the other cell that you want to bring in, and then close the parenthesis. Now you see that these two cells are combined together here. Benefit is that you can also do it manually, but if you type in, there is a typo possible that you can type something by error. The other thing is you can do manual typing for 2-3 values, but if you have 50, 200 values, then you would not be able to do that. With a formula, you can do that very, very fast. Now, question comes, yeah, it connected it, but there is no hyphen or space. If you want that, how you would do that? So let's show you that. It's pretty simple. You start with a equal sign, concat. You click on the first one that you want to bring in, first data, then a comma, double quote, comma, second value, close. Now, just one thing that you need to do is that within double quote, if you want a hyphen or any sign, then you put that. Here I put this hyphen in here. If you just want a blank space, then you could not add anything, but just insert a blank space like this. So whatever your need is, you do that. I'm using a hyphen here, and then click on enter. There you go. Your data is combined. It's as easy as this. You copy and paste the same formula on all cells and everything is combined together as you were looking for. Cool. So that was a quick concatenate function to show you how you can combine data from one cell to the other. It's very simple one that we did, and we want to keep it simple for this video. For a more detailed video later on, for an advanced video, we will show you the other advanced possibilities that you have. Use this and a similar functionality. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Like, subscribe our channel if you like this content, and give a thumbs up. Thank you.